Hello guys, it's Rachel. Welcome to my dorm. So this is my roommate's door. I kind of decorated it with stuff from the dollar store, and I did calligraphy on this sign from Target. In here, first thing you see when you walk in is my roommate's stuff, but this is her shelf. Not gonna go in too deep with this, but this is her side. And then this is a mirror I got from Target too. And then you walk over here and this is our little wall. So we got this clock from Target, all the frames from Target, and then printed out all the pictures from Snapfish. And then I painted this sign and that painting, and then this sign is from Amazon. Got it for $20. Then Emma got this cart that we store all of our food, our mugs, and waters in. We got this plant set up over here from Michael's. It always falls down, which we have to fix, but it's a nice aesthetic touch to it. And then we got this rug from Target. And then when you walk over here, this is my side of the room, and this is my shelf. I got this sign from Target. This sign I got from my roommate from last year, Just Breathe. I have some butters, apple butter and pumpkin butter from Lyman Orchards, which is a local farm near our school. I painted this New Jersey sign, and then my RA cast hosted an event of DIY mason jars, so I just have this, painted it, and then I keep money in it. And then on the second shelf here, I got this frame from Amazon, then printed all these pictures from Snapfish. This is my roommate Emma, best friend Jamie, and my boyfriend Joe. And then in the back over here, I have all the letters that go with the sign that was on the wall. And this fake plant from Target, I got it for free because it had no price tag and it was the last one. And then this room spray from Bath & Body Works, live for their room sprays. I have a bunch of them, so we kind of just like go by season. And then I made this at my most recent RA event with my RA DIY ornaments, and I thought it would be a cute little decoration for the winter. Then you go down another shelf, and these are all my books for the semester. I order them from my class schedule, so basically first class of the day, second class of the day, third class of the day, really depending on when. And then my labs are in the back and my folders are in the front, so it's easy access. And then this is just a mason jar I have filled with stuff to make organic molecules with because I take organic chem. So just put it there. Cute little decoration, and also stuff to use like for storage for my molecules. And then I have my lab stuff over here. I have goggles and then MCAT flashcards from my roommate. And then this is also my roommate's, this marble book holder thing. And then you go down another shelf. There's a lot of shelves. I just painted this painting saying, "What's meant to be will always find its way." And then it has some daisies on it. Then I have a skull that my roommate got, which is not my boyfriend's, but I just kept it here because we didn't know what to do with it yet. He wants to paint it, so it's here. And then I have my two quinnipiac hats here. One is just a basic white hat with a Q on it, and then this is for my college that I'm in. And then when you go down here, it's kind of like a junk mess type of shelf. It has all my paint stuff and packaging that I ship my paintings out in, my first aid kit, some canvases, recycled Pepsi cups from the caf because that's where I put my water for my paint. And then I have an extra book and then some extra printing paper. And then above my shelf I have my boyfriend's Xbox because we like to watch YouTube, Netflix and stuff, and use the Xbox on the TV that is also his. And then that's like his switch case stuff. So then you go over a little bit more, and this is my closet. Not really going to show you in depth of what my closet looks like, but it's organized by color, so it goes from light to dark. And then I have a little organization thing in there. If you want a video of my closet tour, let me know. Okay, and then so up here is the TV, and then a fake plant from Target. And then I think up there a little bit more is also my boyfriend's Switch that we play with. Then over here I just stored my towels and my robe, and then on the other hook I have just jackets that I kind of use every single day. And then here is my whiteboard. I have all my assignments for all my classes laid out, so I just could cross stuff off, and I like to see what I have due and stuff like that. And then I have a little section over here with paintings that people ordered for me, so I kind of keep track of what's done, what's shipped, and what's paid, and like how many paintings that I need to have. And then here is like a little mess, but it's because my dad got me a lot of water. So this is a bunch of water stuff. On these hooks, usually if the water isn't here, I have my backpack and my umbrella here, and then this is where my purse goes. And then this is just my boyfriend's stuff and his shoes. And then on top of my water bottle packages, I kind of made use of it and put the paintings I need to ship out and some clothes that I ordered from Cyber Monday. Stay tuned because that's going to be a haul video. So then you have my desk. It's a little messy, but basically I have these two things from Amazon to hold all my pencils and pens and some markers, and then I have a fake plant from Target, and then I usually put my Alex and Ani bracelets here and my fake eyeglasses next to it, and then I have my Fenty Beauty lip gloss over here and my rosebud salve, which is a savior. And then this is my laptop and my boyfriend's laptop and the Switch. Then on top here is the Google Home, a jar of slime that I made, my lamp from Bed Bath & Beyond, some tissues, Purell. Okay, so inside my lamp I have some storage, and I just basically put my scrunchies that I use, and it has this cool little plug that I can charge my phone with. And then I just put some earphones in there, and yeah. Then this is a basic like chair that came with the dorm, but I covered it with a white blanket to make it look a little more comfy. And then this is my drawer. Basically a little messy, but I kind of organized it a little bit. I have some pins here, some tape, packaging tape, a stapler, some scissors, you know, the basics. And then I stored my ukulele here. And then I have a Polaroid album and a positivity journal in here, and some extra notebooks and some lined paper. So that's all of that. And then my boyfriend wrote danger, ouch, electricity because below my desk I have my power cord right here connected with all of my chargers, and then I have a bunch of canvases that I store down there, and then my trash can. So then you make your way over in between my bed and my desk. I have a drying rack. I have a drying rack of all of my clothes, so when I do laundry and need to hang dry something, I have that here. And then I have a ironing board down there. And then you go over here, and this is my bed. So we have some lights that hang around the whole entire room. And then this is my tapestry. I got it from Amazon. The lights are also from Amazon. And then this is my bedspread. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have two blankets here. One's from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this one's from Target. I have two Disney stuffed animals, Winnie and Eeyore. They're both from Disney. And then I have this reindeer that my boyfriend gave me from Target. And then these three dogs are the dogs that I've had since birth, and I literally have separation anxiety from them if I don't sleep with them. This blanket is also from my boyfriend. It's from Target. And then my bed sheets are from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then I have this pillow from Bed Bath & Beyond, this pillow from Target, this pillow from Bed Bath & Beyond. This pillow came with my bed spread, and this pillow is from Home Goods. And then if you go under my bed, I have under the bed storage. This is basically where my laundry goes, and behind that I have a blue bin filled with extra stuff that I put storage in. I don't have bed risers because under the bed is a lot of storage for me. And then I have some games, some paintings I did. And then this bin is filled with cleaning supplies and my art supplies. Back here I have a bin full of my shoes, and then this is my stool that I kind of need to get up on my bed. Then here I have just like the storage container thing is from Target, and it's 6 pull-out drawers that you could fold, and these pull-out drawers are from Walmart, and it's a very like cool way because like I store so much in here. My first drawer is full of my bathroom supplies, and then here is all my electronic stuff, and then my middle drawer is my makeup, and here is like extra storage for food. And then my far back corner storages, I don't really have much in there. It's kind of just like extra stuff that I have to store in like a nice, cool little aesthetic way. Here is the printer that we have, and I got this like bin from Target, and we have all the Xbox games, the Xbox controllers. I stored the remotes for my fan and my lights in here too, so they're here. And then we just have the printer and my fridge. And then on my wall, I have just a little cute Polaroid wall, which I'm like looking to grow on. And then 2 paintings that I did. I did this rose one and a quote from Shawn Mendes' song, "And where your heart is, that doesn't change." It's from his Understand song. And then that painting I got from Walmart. So then this side I'm gonna go through briefly. It's just my roommate stuff. So this is her desk. This is her side of the room. That's her tapestry, her wall. She did those paintings. I did the Long Island one. This is her bed. And this is her closet. This is a mirror that we both used. She bought it. And then this is her shelf like I went through before. And then I did that painting of her dog. So this is just an overview of my room and just what it looks like. And yeah, so that was my room and a little room tour. I have worked on it for a while, so that's kind of why this tour hasn't gone up until now, and I haven't recorded it until now because I was kind of like changing everything and adding more stuff onto it. But I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button for post notifications for whenever I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!